Hey, it's Nino Giambalvo here, and I wanted to invite you to something special. I challenge you to build your first professional AI assistant live across 3 days. Of course, you'll have my help, and it's free. If you've been exploring how to use AI in your coaching business, but haven't quite figured out where to start or what to build, this is the perfect place to start. Across 3 60-minute sessions on each day, we'll work together live to create your first professional AI assistant. You don't need code, you don't need a tech background. All you need is curiosity, a laptop, and yourself, the coach, with all your human experience. This challenge is all about making AI practical and personal, something that supports you and not replaces you. On day 1, we'll help you capture your voice. We'll build an AI coach profile, a document that captures what your business does, who you help, your tone, and your values. This process is about making an AI assistant that truly reflects. On day 2, we'll explore real AI application. You'll use a custom AI assistant called the Business Problem Solver. This tool will help you work through real coaching challenges, and together we'll vote on which assistant we'll bring to life on day 3. And finally, on day 3, we'll build it live together. Step by step, we'll create your first AI assistant ready to use in your business by the end of the session. By the end of the challenge, you'll walk away with a ready-to-use AI assistant built for your business. A simple process for consistently getting AI to match your voice and your method. A new level of clarity and confidence about where AI fits into your world. Most people consume AI. This challenge helps you create with it. This is not more theory. You'll get hands-on experience, real examples, and immediate value. You'll see how AI can save you time, strengthen your message, and free you to focus on what you love most: coaching. It's all happening 24th to 26th of November at 1 p.m. UK time, live on Google Meet. Each session will run for around an hour. It's free to join, and you'll be guided every step of the way. Click below to register, and by the end of the challenge, you'll have your first professional AI assistant ready to go. Can't wait to see what you build. I'll see you there.